Hi, this is Mike from SuperB. Getting handlebars straight is a real common challenge for bicycle mechanics. On one side of the shop it looks straight, on the other it doesn't. It's really tough. So to help us out, SuperB developed the TB-HD05 Stem alignment tool. To operate the TB-HD05, first you're going to attach the support strap around the stem, like so. Get it nice and snug. And then next, time to turn on the laser. All right, you're going to want to turn on the laser, then rotate the handlebars until you see the light line up perfectly in the center of the tire. Now you know that the tire and the stem are in the same plane, and we know the handlebars are straight. All right, now that I know my handlebars are perfectly aligned, I'm going to use my T20 multi-tool to just cinch the bolts lightly. There's a lot of carbon here, so you're going to want to use a torque wrench. The torque wrench I use in my shop is the TW20 torque wrench. So this is 4 Newton meters. All you need to do is twist the dial at the bottom, set it to 4. All right, I can see that in the window. And then I can adjust either for left-hand or right-handed threads. These are right-handed threads. And then when I hear the click, I know it's set to the correct torque. All right. The bolts are at the proper torque, the handlebars are straight. Now it's time to just take off the laser alignment tool and go for a ride.